Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Binance using a QR code on your laptop. First, ensure your Binance mobile app is open and you are logged in. Then, on your laptop, navigate to the Binance login page. You will see a QR code displayed there. Prepare your phone to scan this code, making sure your camera is ready. This method offers a quick and secure way to access your account. Before scanning, make sure your Binance mobile application is fully updated to the latest version. Log into your account on your phone. Once logged in, look for the scan icon, often found on the home screen or in a menu. Tap this icon to activate your phone's camera. If prompted, grant the necessary camera permissions for the app to function correctly. Now, carefully position your phone's camera over the QR code displayed on your laptop screen. Hold your device steady to allow for a clear and quick scan. Once scanned, a login confirmation request will appear on your mobile device. Take a moment to review the details of this request to ensure it is legitimate before you approve the login. After you approve the login on your mobile device, your laptop's browser will automatically refresh. You should now be securely logged into your Binance account on your computer. For your security, always remember to log out of your account once you have finished your session. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.